Now students, that we were talking about, first of all you must know about the meaning of history and why do we study history. Actually history is the study of past events and it is not only be memorizing dates. In this lesson we will learn how did it happen, means how different kind of incidents, different kind of word, means so many facts, how it be happen. Then when did it happen, means how did it happen, when did it happen, and where did it happen. How, when, and where. That's why what is history? History is the main the different kind of events and which places mainly will happen, in on which dates it mainly happen, and on which name. Just like so many, just like Indian freedom struggle, French revolution, these are the name of different kind of facts or events. And learning facts means what are the main thing that you have to learn or remember. Now your next, the first topic that is given about which dates. Actually selection of date depends on the story of past, means date only be, whenever you search about the date, that only depend on the story of the past, means when it happened on a particular date. Just like First World War, it mainly whenever you will study about, whenever you will learn about the First World War, that time you have to learn on which date, on which particular time it was happened. Fine. Next one, focusing on a particular set of events is important, means not like that you have to arrange same kind of events, same kind of incidents that happen at the same time, not like that. You should not be puzzled for that. You have to move in a straight way, that same kind of events, same kind of facts that mainly happen at the same time, you have to arrange everything in proper way. Next one, by studying the dates, reasons and consequences of events are understood in better way, means you have to study that date and some reason also be had, some logic also be behind it, and consequences, what are the result of that event. Just like French Revolution happened, and what are the consequences, what are the impact or the result of that event, you have to find out about that. Fine. So that first topic, that is about which dates, mean whenever you will learn about the dates, that time you should not scare about it. You have to arrange all facts together in you should arrange chronological order only. Fine. So that next I am going to that meaning of history. First of all you should know meaning of history. History is about changes that occur over time, not single time, means that continuously be going on, means that you did yesterday, that only be history. Fine. So that it is the changing time. Fine. Then finding how things were in the past and how things have changed, means if any kind of things, so many times whenever you talking about past and present time, your grandparents also be, they always be compare the past time and the present time, so that whenever you will study, whenever you will learn about the history only be the different kind of events, different kind of changes that occur over time. And another one, you have to compare between past and present event, means any kind of substance, any kind of thing, what kind of situation was there in the past time and now what kind of changes occurred. Whenever you will compare in between them, that time easily you can be understand. Here is the one famous person. Why he was famous? James Renal. Why he was famous? Because he was the first man who constructed the first nearly accurate map of India. He was appointed by the Britishers as a Surveyor General of Bengal. Fine. So that James Renell, he mainly born on December 3, 1742 in England. But why he was famous? He was the first person who constructed the map, accurate map of India. That's why he was appointed by the East India Company as a Surveyor General of Bengal. Fine.